Wakwa ni ora we.
Okaine mwe atadayo nakaheo mere gata gotora.
Ile tu yenda koe.
DJ Cuddies.
Mwecia ni werorera ugiuka barabara uria etarie mai ni twekirirwo miberethi no tutigana kuona mai ithu ni twakena muno tuno watuika mugambo witu
Lekiratha turi ukaga nginya gwaku ituraini nigetha tuigue mateta na mathina maria mungikorwo mwinamo tukamoya na tugatwarira atongoria kumakora mawabici-ini na gwakinya ni ihinda ria gukorwo ati tutiramakora kana kumona mawabici-ini turi makoraga kwao micii-ini nigetha utungata wa muingi ukorwo ukigacira nigetha muikari wa itura na uria wi macinani akorwo akiamukira kihoto na kiria gigiake.
Na niĩ ngatha ya Nyandarua ngakurehera ageni magakuhe mwihoko tukaririria cia mikaranirie ugima mwega wa mwiri na wigithia naguo wa gatano o ta mutugo tukagwa kiharo-ini tugebarita tukainikiririe kiumia na thitairu
Maundu mothe ni magiriru.
Otaga gai ni otaga gumuhe matuko maige
yore awakorea kwaraga nowe
Wikayota otawo ori onakanare
remwe nituhinyiririkaga ginya goroshito ikainama
nikiota kwambia muthenya itare nawe ona ni kwenda kumang'ara tutare nawe waota.
hihi wetereire kigutuika muhotani wa thimu oro muthenya na Friday woinukie kibikibi undu muhuthu muno makiria guthie thiini wa M-Pesa till number wandike number 514123 utume ciringi 50 ari ta tigiti wa gukurugamirira ngirikia tabarira ngakunengereria thimu ino na Friday ugire kibikibi wetereire ki M-Pesa till number 514123 50 tu utuike muhotani wetereire ki cheza kama wewe.
Coronavirus COVID-19 is a respiratory virus spreading across the world. The infection is spread from droplets of coughing and sneezing of an infected person, touching or shaking hands or being in contact with contaminated surfaces or objects with the virus. The signs and symptoms are fever, coughing, headache, body ache, difficulty in breathing. The disease can be prevented by regularly washing hands with soap and running water. Avoid close contact with people who have flu-like symptoms. Avoid handshake, hugs, and kissing. Also, protect yourself by covering your mouth or nose using a disposable tissue while coughing or sneezing. If you experience these symptoms and you had traveled or been in contact with a person from a country reporting COVID-19, you should isolate yourself for 14 days and seek immediate medical attention or report to the nearest health center. This message has been brought to you by the government of Kenya and its partners. For accurate information on COVID-19, dial *719# or call 719. Follow us on Twitter at MOH_Kenya, at spokesperson GOK, at WHO.
Corona is a bad disease. And you can see our brothers, Lotto Foundation, has come here to help Toy. Toy is a very big commercial market, which the population is very big. And for this particular thing, we are so much delighted, and we did not know that you people still remember us, and may God bless you at this particular juncture. Thank you so much. I tell you this, what Lotto Foundation have done to us is appreciated by all Kibera people, all toy market people.
We are very much grateful for Lotto Foundation for their gesture, because we know very well that as toy open air market, they treat us as a duty to protect themselves from this particular virus.